Good morning. I welcome you all for the today's session of Unit 4 of Practical Sessions 14 Electrical Machines and Batteries and UPS. The course outcome is Identify and Operate Electrical Machines, Batteries and UPS. Myself, Sahana, lecturer in Electrical and Electronic Engineering from Government Polytechnic, Udupi. Let us go through the experiment number 14. The title of the experiment is to start and reverse the direction of three-phase induction motor using DOL and star delta starter. The aim of the experiment is to start and reverse the direction of three-phase induction motor using direct online starter and star delta starter. The apparatus required for the conduction of the experiments are the three-phase induction motor 5 HP, 1 number, DOL starter 1 number, star delta starter 1 number, TPST switch, triple pole single throw switch, capacity current carrying capacity is 60 amps, 1 number, then connecting wires. Here it is a circuit diagram of direct online starter. Here we are using TPST switch, DOL starter and three-phase induction motors. First we have to arrange the materials as per the circuit diagram. Then we have to connect the circuits. So here in this three-phase AC 440 volt AC supply is connected to the TPST switch. The output of the TPST switch, output terminals of the TPST switch is connected to the input terminals of the DOL starter, that is RYB phase. So output of the DOL starter is connected to the three-phase induction motor. The R phase of the DOL starter is to connect to the terminals A, Y phase to terminal B, B phase is connected to the terminal C of the three-phase induction motors. Here three-phase induction motors are connected in delta form. So in the second figure we are finding out the star delta starters. Here we are finding three-phase supply, TPST switch, and then the star delta starters, then induction motors. So three-phase supply is connected to the TPDT switch, triple pole, double throw switch, and it is connected to the star delta starter. So during the starting we have to connect it in star position, and during running condition we have to connect it to delta. So let us go through the procedure of the experiments. First one, DOL starter. Make the connections as shown in the circuit diagram. 1. Second one, connect the motor in delta and switch on three-phase AC supply and close the TPST switch and switch on the DOL starter. As soon as the supply is on, the induction motor will rotate. Here we have to observe the direction of rotation of three-phase induction motor. Then press stop button of the starter to stop the induction motor. Fifth one, open the TPST switch and switch off the three-phase AC supply. In order to reverse the direction of the induction motor, we have to interchange any two terminals of the supply. So sixth procedure is interchange any two input terminals of the three-phase supply for reverse rotating direction of the induction motor. Let's go through the procedures of star delta starter. First one, make the connections as shown in the circuit diagram 2. Second one, connect the motor in delta and switch on the three-phase AC supply and close the TPST switch. Press the starter handle to start position and hold it for few seconds, then change the starter handles to delta position. That means you are running the starter in delta position. Fourth one, observe the directions of rotation of three-phase induction motor. Fifth one, press stop button of the starter to stop the induction motor. Sixth one, open the TPST switch and switch off the three-phase AC supply. Similarly, interchange the any two input terminals of the three-phase supply for reverse rotating direction of the induction motor. So, in order to get the result, by interchanging the any two three-phase supply terminals of the direction of the rotation of the motor becomes reversed. That means clockwise to anti-clockwise direction, the three-phase terminals, the three-phase supply terminal should be R by B, and if you want to change the directions of the motor, so that means anti-clockwise to clockwise, any two terminals should be interchanged. That means R and Y should be interchanged. Therefore, Y R B. Now, Mr. Shankarappa sir will explain how to conduct the experiment in the laboratory. Now, over to Shankarappa sir.
Welcome students. Now we are going to conduct an experiment, that is experiment number 12, to start and reverse the direction of induction motor by using DOL starter. Okay. So what we see in the diagram here, it is DOL starter. It is direct online starter. Okay. So DOL starter is used to start the motors, induction motors up to the rating of 1 to 3 HP motors. Okay, it is DOL starter. So to conduct this experiment, we need DOL starter. So three-phase induction motor, and three-phase thermostat and three-phase supply with connecting wires. See what we see here, it is a circuit diagram of DOL starter. So here we need three-phase RYB, three-phase power supply, three-phase auto transformer or thermostat, DOL starter, three-phase induction motor, and the direction of rotation of the motor according to the phase sequence. Okay, we have to verify this. So we need this circuit diagram. The supply is given from the thermostat to the DOL starter, then DOL starter, the RYB sequence. According to that, the induction motor should rotate. So in the sequence it is in RYB. When the sequence is in RYB, the induction motor rotates in clockwise direction. Okay, in clockwise direction. If you want to change the direction of rotation, so you are going to interchange any two wires. That is R and Y phases are going to be interchanges. Then the phase sequence becomes RBY. Then the direction of rotation of the induction motor is in anti-clockwise direction. Okay. So like that we are going to conduct this experiment. So on the board. Okay. So now we are going to conduct this experiment on table. We have to go to the table. Okay. So now we are going to connect the three-phase induction motor to the three-phase supply and then check the direction of rotation of the motor. Before going to that, so we observe here the different tools. Okay. So what you see in the switch here, it is ICTP or TPST switch for three-phase power supply. Then it is DOL starter, that is direct online starter. So this starter is used to start the three-phase induction motor up to the rating of 3 HP, 1 HP to 3 HP. That rating, so up to 3 HP rating, to start that induction motor we need DOL starter, that is direct online starter, and it is a voltmeter to measure the voltage across the two phases. Okay. Then it is three-phase induction motor. So it is a three-phase induction motor. So observe its nameplate also. It is a three-phase induction motor. Okay. Right. So it is a shaft. Here we are going to measure or observe the direction of rotation. Okay. So it is three-phase dimmer stat. It having three-phase power supply with 3 input terminals RYB and 3 output terminals RYB, okay, and one is neutral terminal, okay, it's a dimmer start. So now we are going to connect the three-phase supply to the induction motor through the DeWalt starter. Observe here. So we have three-phase supply, R phase, Y phase and B phase. Okay. So from R phase, it is connected to R terminal of DeWalt starter. So DeWalt starter it having three terminals, R phase, for Y phase and for B phase. Okay. For three phases we have three terminals, R phase, Y phase and B phase. So R phase of dimmer start is connected to the R phase of DeWalt starter. So similarly the Y phase of dimmer start is connected to Y terminal of DeWalt starter. These three are the input terminals to the DeWalt starter. And similarly B phase, that is blue phase of three-phase supply, is connected to B terminal of DeWalt starter. So now, so these three, R phase, Y phase and B phase, are connected to, so equivalent sequence R terminal, Y terminal and B terminal of three-phase input sequence terminals to the DeWalt starter. Then output of DeWalt starter is connected to three-phase induction motor. Okay, three-phase induction motor. Now we have the three terminals. Okay, but these three terminals are not represented like RYB. Just connect three terminals and observe the direction of rotations. The output of a DeWalt starter is connected to three-phase induction motor. Three-phase induction motor. Okay. Now to measure the voltage between the lines, we are going to connect the voltmeter across the input terminals of between two phases. Now I am going to connect the voltage terminals between R phase and Y phase, to the voltmeter. Okay, now the voltmeter reads the voltage between two phases, Okay, so now we have the connections. The dimmer start, three input terminals are connected to the RYB terminals of DeWalt starter. Okay, then DeWalt starter output is connected to three-phase induction motor. Just the movement mode. See, in DeWalt starter we have two buttons, push buttons. One is green button to start the motor and one is red button to stop the motor. Okay, so now I have completed the connections and I am going to increase the voltage, say from 0 to 440 volts. Then after that I am going to operate the start button and stop button. Okay, so now, so it is necessary to apply the 440 volts, but here it is, say 350 volts is enough to start the induction motor. Just I am going to apply only 350 volts and observe the rotations. Okay. So observe the voltage. Observe the voltage. I am going to increase the voltage in three-phase dimmer start from 0 to 350 volts. So it is 320, 330, 340. So 350 is enough. Okay. So now I am going to start the induction motor by pressing the green button. Okay. Now observe, the motor starts to rotate. Okay. See, observe the direction of rotation. See, observe, it is in anti-clockwise direction. See, observe, it is in anti-clockwise direction. Okay. So now the sequence is recorded here. the sequence recorded here, it is in anti-clockwise, so it is in the 3 lines are connected in RBY fashion. It is in anti-clockwise. Okay, so to change the direction into the clockwise direction, just interchange any 2 phases. Just interchange any 2 phases at the output of the D-while starter. Now I am going to interchange R phase with Y phase. R phase with Y phase. So now I am going to interchange R phase with Y phase. Then I will start the D-while starter. Then the motor rotates. Then observe the direction of rotation. Now it is in clockwise direction. Okay. Now it is in clockwise direction. Okay. So if it rotates in clockwise direction, it seems that the phase sequence is in RYB like that. Okay. So R is connected to R phase of motor, Y is connected to Y phase of motor, then B is connected to B phase of motor. Then the phase sequence is in RYB, then the motor rotates in clockwise direction. Okay, like that we are going to, so to change the direction of rotation of the induction motor, just we are going to interchange the any 2 phase terminals, either R phase with Y phase or R phase with B phase or Y phase with B phase. Just interchange any 2 terminals, then the direction becomes so reverse. Okay, so like that, so you can connect in your lab and check the direction of rotation of the motor. Okay, and then reverse the direction of rotation of the 3-phase induction motor in your lab. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir, for conducting the experiment. Now, let us see the LMS e-content team members. Chairperson, Srimati D. Aruna, SJ, Government Polytechnic, Bengaluru. Moderator, Sri Wazid Ahmad, Government Polytechnic, Imadihalli, Bengaluru. Subject expert, Sri Manjunath, Government Polytechnic, Nagamangala. E-content developer, Sri Doddaswamy H, Government Polytechnic, Mundagodu. E-content developer number 2, Sri Shankarappa, DACG, Government Polytechnic, Chikmagaluru. E-content developer 3, Srimati Sahana, Government Polytechnic, Udupi. Thank you.